Hi, I am Cheska Rubibidi Anopler from BC2-9, and today I'm going to explain how I answered Activity 1 for primary classifications. So welcome to my explanation video. So first, the primary classification has numerical values and whirl pattern that has these values. So if you see plain whirl, central loop packet, loop whirl, double loop whirl, and accidental loop whirl, that is written in these fingers, it has this value. So for pair 1, which is finger 1 and 2 has 16. Pair 2, which is the finger 3 and finger 4 has 8. Pair 3, which is the finger 5 and finger 6 has 4. And pair 4, which is finger 7 and finger 8 has 2. And lastly, pair 5, which is the finger 9 and finger 10 has 1. Next, remember that the even number is our numerator and the odd number would be our denominator. And then the formula for this is that the summation of even numbers over the summation of odd numbers would be added to 1 over 1. So for number 1, in our activity 1, so the radial loop, the for finger 1, the tented arc for finger 5, the plain arc, the radial loop, and the radial loop also in finger 10 has no values because it is not again included in our four whirl patterns that has values. So the only whirls that has values here is in our finger 2 in our pair 1, which is the central pocket loop whirl, our finger 3 double loop whirl, finger 4 accidental loop whirl, our finger 6 plain whirl, and the pair 5, the finger 9, which is the central pocket loop whirl. So substituting with our formula, remember that if it is in even number finger, and then it would be on our numerator. If it is in odd number, it would be on our denominator. Coming up with 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 0 would over be would be over 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1, and it would be added to 1 over 1. So 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 is equals to it would be equal to 28, and 0 plus 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 would be equal to 9. We would add 1 over 1, it would be 29 over 10. Next is activity 1, number 2. Again, plain whirl, double loop whirl, center pocket loop whirl for finger 3, accidental loop whirl for finger 5, the accidental loop whirl for finger 9, and the plain whirl for finger 10 has values. So those tented arc, ulnar loop, tented arc, and plain arc, which is not stated in our four whirl patterns that has values, it would be 0. So substituting to our formula, it would be 16 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1. I mean, again, it would be 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 over 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 9 is equals to 17 over 30, over 29, and if we would add 1 over 1 it would be 18 over 30. That's it. Thank you.